Hey, welcome everyone to the new video in Hardware with ROS series. In this video, we are going to connect an ultrasonic sensor to Arduino and get its data in ROS. So, before starting, make sure you subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon as I bring such an interesting video every week. So, let's get started. Now, let's start by connecting the ultrasonic sensor to the Arduino Mega. So, I have connected the ultrasonic sensor to Arduino Mega in this manner. I have connected the trigger pin to digital pin 2 of Arduino Mega and echo pin to digital pin 4 of Arduino Mega, and rest the VCC is connected to the 5 volt and ground is connected to the ground of Arduino Mega. This is how I have connected the ultrasonic sensor to Arduino Mega. So after connecting the sensor to Arduino Mega, it's time to upload the code. Here I have written the code. The code is self-explanatory. I'll give the link of the code in the description. So after selecting the board and the COM port, I'll upload the code. Now the uploading is done. It's time to open the terminal and run ROS nodes. So I'll open the terminal. In first terminal, I'll run ROS core. In second terminal, I'll first give the permission to Arduino Mega to get connected to my USB port using the command sudo chmod 666/dev/tty, and you have to check the port that is connected. You can directly do tty*. Okay, after this you have to start a serial node that helps the Arduino to get connected with ROS. So command for that is ROS run ROS serial python serial node /dev/tty USB. And now here is the experimenting thing. You have to know the port that it is connected to. So here, if you open the Arduino IDE and go into, you will find it is dev tty ACM0. So I'll connect the Arduino Mega to that port. So here you can see the Arduino is publishing the range topic. So now we will echo this topic. So you can see the data from the range sensor coming. So this is how you get your ultrasonic data from Arduino to ROS. So if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Until then, stay creative with me, Techno.